Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 21. Today, we will review everything we learned in week 3: subqueries, CTEs, window functions, views, and transactions. We will solve practice questions together and prepare for advanced case studies in week 4. Subqueries are queries inside queries. They are used in where, from, or select clauses to filter, create temporary data sets, or compare values. CTs are temporary result cells defined with width. They simplify complex queries, improve readability, and can even be recursive for hierarchical data. Window functions provide advanced analytics. Row number assigns sequential numbers, rank handles ties, lead accesses the next row, and lag accesses the previous row. Views are virtual tables created from queries. They simplify complex logic, improve readability, enhance security, and allow reusable query structures. Transactions group operations together. Begin starts, commit saves, and rollback undoes. They ensure consistency with the asset properties. Here is a practice query. Using a subquery and a CTE to find employees earning above average salary. Another example, ranking students by marks using the rank window function. Common mistakes include forgetting the with keyword in CTEs, misusing where instead of having, confusing row number with rank, or forgetting to commit after begin. Let us go through some common questions. Subqueries are good for quick filters, while CTEs simplify complex queries. Window functions analyze rows without collapsing them like a group by. Views are useful for reporting and security. If you forget to commit, changes will not be saved. Your assignment: create employees, students, and sales tables. Write queries using subqueries, CTEs, window functions, views, and transactions to reinforce week 3 concepts. To summarize, week 3 covered subqueries, CTEs, window functions, views, and transactions. You practiced with the employees, students, and sales datasets, solved mini challenges, and built advanced SQL skills. Next week, we will move into real world case studies.